Do you know what goes into preparing for a life-changing orthopedic surgery beyond the surgeon's skill? It's a symphony of instruments. Every saw, clamp, osteotome all needing to be in exactly the right place. If even one tool is missing, misplaced or dirty, it can be the difference between success, delay or complications. Today, we demystify instrument set assembly, how each piece must be organized to ensure surgical precision and patient safety. Welcome to Ortho Implants for Life. We bring you behind the scenes of orthopedic care with clarity and detail. Orthopedic surgical instrument set assembly explained. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Always follow hospital protocols, sterile processing standards, and manufacturer instructions when handling surgical instruments. Unboxing the foundation: why precision matters. Each instrument tray for surgery is more than just metal pieces. It's a carefully designed kit. Proper tray setup ensures surgical efficiency. Surgeon does not waste time looking for tools. Patient safety, avoiding delays, wrong instrument usage, contamination. Sterility assurance: every instrument must be clean and functional. The anatomy of a set: understanding each tool's purpose. Cutting, bone shaping, osteotome, bone saws, chisels. Osteotome is used to cut or prepare bone. Double beveled, used in shaping bone. Grasping, chop, holding, removing. Rongeurs, forceps, bone holding forceps. Rongeur equals heavy duty, scoop shaped tip, used to nibble or trim bone. Retracting, exposing. Retractors, handheld self-retaining. Hooks, measuring aligning pinning. Wires, pins, depth gauges. Knowing what each tool does is first step to placing them correctly in the tray. The art of assembly, step-by-step methodology. Start with large foundational instruments first. Retractors, larger clamps, bone saws. These are base structure. Then progressively smaller. Graspers, rongeurs, osteotomes, measuring tools. Ergonomic and logical zone arrangement. Instruments ordered by use sequence. What the surgeon will pick first should be positioned so they are reachable with minimal movement. Zones: cutting tools grouped, then holding tools, then retractors, then measuring pinning tools. Common pitfalls to avoid: overcrowding trays, stacking instruments which block sterilant contact. Wrong orientation of sharp tips could damage wrappers, injure staff. Not protecting delicate parts, jointed forceps. Quality control and verification, ensuring surgical readiness. Check cleanliness and function. Every instrument must be clean, dried with hinges or joints working, blades sharp where needed. Any soiled or damaged instrument must be returned to the decontamination area. Use count sheets so nothing is missing. Match set against tray. Count sheet. Missing damaged instrument must be logged. Sterilization, packaging and sealing. Tray liner, appropriate wrapping, chemical indicators, sealing, ensuring the sterility barrier is intact. Beyond the tray, the impact of meticulous assembly. Poor tray setup can lead to delays in surgery, increased operating room time, increased risk of infections, wrong or damaged instrument usage. Instrument technicians, sterile processing department are unsung heroes. Their precision behind the scenes ensures surgeon can focus on patient. The next time you enter an operating room, remember, the surgical drama isn't just about the surgeon and implant. It begins long before, with each forceps, osteotome, clamp placed perfectly. The unseen art of instrument set assembly is the foundation of every successful surgery.
If you have enjoyed the video, like it, share it, and if you are new to our channel, subscribe it. Hit the bell icon to get notifications for all our upcoming videos. Join us to excel in this orthopedic implant industry and to know more about the job and career growth which is available in this industry. Thank you. See you again. next week.